Hello, this is the second short tutorial on creating a new life page. My first one was the basics of how to create the new life page, and in this tutorial I'm just going to spend a couple of moments to show you how to add some basic text and then also how to embed a YouTube video. So in this brand new page I'm going to click on add stuff, and so I'm going to add some basic text in a content box, and then I'm going to embed an object here. So you can see that those things have been added, and as it's mentioned in the first video, something a little quirky with life in that those objects, or those cells if you like, don't go on automatically. I need to refresh my page, and there they appear. Now, one of the things that you will have noticed just as I refresh that is this yellow box in the bottom left hand side. That means that the things I've just put on that page and the changes I've just made have not yet been published. That means if a student was to log on, they would not see these objects, and it's really easy to do. Just click on admin and quick publish, and I'll get a little check, click OK, and there you can see that yellow box is gone, and that means that that is now published and students will be able to see that if they were to log on. Okay, so I'm not happy with that. I want my learning objective to appear at the side of the YouTube clip, so I want to think about the layout, and again that's really easily done. Admin and cell layout, and you can see I've got several layout options here. So I like this column because I'm just going to have my little 2-column set. I'm going to have my objectives there, and I'll have the YouTube video on the right hand side, I think. So again, I've clicked on that and automatically it's done that for me. Now if I click it on the cell, it'll allow me just to replace that and relocate it into one of the new preset spaces. So let's edit this. So if I want to change the title of that box, all I need to do is click on that, and it'll allow me just to write learning. Let's do it properly. Learning objective, and enter should allow me to do that. And now I want to actually write my objective in. So to do that, I'm going to click on this little green edit learning cell here, and it will open up a very familiar and basic text box. So I'm going to click inside. We are learning to understand the factors that led to Alexander II's emancipation of the Serbs, and click save, and the objective appears there. Now I could make that bold and underline keywords in that just as I would in a normal Word document really. So but I want to embed my YouTube clip here. Now I've found it. It's called Russia, Land of the Tsars, and I've found it. Now you would expect to copy and paste the URL at the top, but it's not. It's not that. At the bottom of this video, you'll see share, a little share icon here, and I'm going to click on that. Now instead of the URL, I want the embed code. So I'll click on embed, and it's already highlighted for me. So I'm just going to copy that, Control and C. I'm going to go back into my life page. So like with the content box, I'm going to click on this little green edit cell, and I'm simply going to copy and paste Control and V that embed code into there, and I click C, and there we have the fully functional YouTube clip. Okay, now as you can see the yellow box has come up again, which means I need to publish it if I want students to see it. Admin, quick publish, okay, and there we have on my new life page I have a learning objective and a fantastic YouTube clip to support learning.